Mic check 1 2 3 4. Can you guys hear me? Am I loud? Am I clear? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get started here very soon. We're going to be live in, 9 minutes and 20 seconds. We're going to cover the late breaking news, silver and gold action. We're going to cover the market close today. If you're ready for some fun, smash that like button. Share the stream. Please retweet me on X. I just posted the tweet for the stream on X. Please go retweet it. I've got some breaking news we're going to cover right away as soon as we start. I just broke it on X. If you guys are ready, smash that like button. We're going to be live here 8 minutes and 50 seconds covering breaking silver and gold news and the market close. Let's go. Yes. Who's ready? We're going to be live soon, about 7 minutes and 30 seconds, covering the breaking silver and gold news. I got some news fresh off the press. I think I was the first to put it out there. So we're going to be covering that. If you're excited, smash the like button, share the stream. Please go retweet the tweet about the stream on X. We're going to be live here in just 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Who's ready? They said we were crazy. They said silver and gold were a thing of the past. They said it was going to stay below 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 40, then 50 again, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We went to 110, we went to 120, then they smashed us down to the 70s and they said we were through. Then we went to the 80s, we went to the 90s. Ladies and gentlemen, how long until we're popping champagne? One more time at 100. Let me know in chat right now. We're going to be live in 6 minutes and 45 seconds. If you're excited, smash the like button. Who's ready? From Arctic ice. Who's with me? To island drum. Who has intestinal fortitude? Every stamp on my page. Another drop in the way. Who's ready? Let's go! Variable, don't get fired, Variable. Do not get fired, Variable. Hide it in your pocket. Just listen, hide it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be started here in 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Please smash the like button, share the stream. Today's going to be a fun one. Who has intestinal fortitude? Guys, if you like my music, this is all my music. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, iTunes. Just search International Stackers, the artist, and enjoy. You can party any time of the day or night. And I've got new scenes today for the stream, guys. Brand new scenes. I think you're going to love it. This is all my music. I wrote all the lyrics. I created all the music. The vocals are based on my likeness. Some I had to have some help there, but the vocals are based on my likeness. My creations, 100%. Come on! Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 4 minutes and 15 seconds, covering the breaking gold and silver news. And boy, do I have some big news we're going to start off with here. Smash the like button if you're excited. Smash the like button if you're ready. Smash the like button if you have intestinal fortitude. Let's go! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, channel members, we will be going to the war room at the end of the stream. So all channel members, we will be going to the war room. Let's go! Here we go! For Raw! Feel the thrill. International stack on that mill. So hit that sub. Join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international. Who's ready? We're going to be live in 3 minutes and 20 seconds covering the late breaking news. Covering the market close. Answering your questions. Helping you read the tea leaves. Oh, someone's dueling me, I see. I'll accept a duel. So hit that sub, join the quest. Let's go! You're the best international stacker, stacking strong. Nice. Charles bought a quarter ounce platinum coin today. Congratulations, Charles. We're going to be live in just 2 minutes and 40 seconds covering the breaking news. All the updates. Let me know when you're ready. Virtual drinks will be available in the war room. Hopefully it's champagne, but something tells me today's not going to be the champagne day. Guys, we're going to be ready. We're going to be live in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's get a crab dance going here. Let me get the bot. Bot, it's time for a crab dance. If you're ready for the stream, drop a crab in chat. If you are unshaken, drop a crab in chat. If you have intestinal fortitude, drop a crab in chat. Better yet, if you bought the dip, drop a crab in chat. We're going to be live in 1 minute and 58 seconds. Let's go. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 1 minute and 25 seconds. Smash the like button if you're excited and ready. This is going to be an epic stream here. I got some breaking news that I think I'm the only one that's covered it so far. Let's go. Let's get it. One minute warning. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. 20-second warning, 20-second warning. Last chance to top off your drink. Smash that like button. Here we go. Do you guys want the old school intro? Put old school if you want old school. It was actually filmed in the deserts of Saudi Arabia. So you're about to see me in the desert of Saudi Arabia wandering. One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name is International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Where are you at in the world? What are you sipping on? I'm sipping on some LaCroix here. Got a nice little LaCroix here, but I'm ready. I'm standing by with champagne. Remember, once silver breaks $100 an ounce again, we are popping champagne on this channel. 1,900 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures, and I've got a brand new video coming in the next couple days. I got to get it done, guys. I'm working on so much stuff, but it's in a coin shop in Prague, buying coins in Prague. You guys are going to love it. And we're at 66,303 subscribers. Only 97 more subscribers until the next big show. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. And ladies and gentlemen, I have some breaking news for gold and silver. But first, I wanted to give you a recap of what happened today. So remember, overnight, we hit highs of 96.44 and then the great double fin smackdown. Okay, guys, I've been working on new scenes for y'all. And remember how I said these look like a shark fin attack? Well, I've got a new scene for the shark fin attack. What do you guys think? Did you like that? Let me know if you liked that. I'm going to add some crabs in there somewhere, but that's the first version of it. So 2 shark fin attacks here. And we just recently broke back over 90. We're at to 90.87. And then a little smashy McSmasherson right now, 89.42. The market is closing in 19 minutes. It will close for a 1-hour break from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then it will open again, and gold had a similar fate today. It made an overnight high of 5,419. It got smashed all the way down. Guys, rejoice. We filled the gap. We filled the gap. So I can remove this now. We filled the gap in gold, and that was created on open, and we filled the gap on silver. There's one gap left down here. 84.75 to 84.94. Why couldn't we have just bounced a little bit more and filled that? Anyways, technical analysis, all gaps must be filled, but really it's about 95% of the time, so we'll see what happens there. But gold is right now trading on a green candle of $5,329.11, and I'm about to give you guys the breaking news, but before that, Shanghai Futures Exchange opened up to 109.40, and it got the double shark fin attack too, all the way down to 102.56. But even at 102.56 to 89, we're still talking about a $13 premium. A $13 premium from the west to the east. Ladies and gentlemen, it's insane. And that gold to silver ratio right now, $59 or 59.53 ounces of silver for every 1 ounce of gold. I always want to say dollars here. 59.53 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. So we're still below the 60s. We were just as low as the mid 50s. And something tells me we'll be back there again soon. And I'm going to break out the news here, guys, for you. Big breaking news. And we watch this here on this channel diligently. Breaking. Breaking $9 billion emergency liquidity just pulled from the Federal Reserve repo market. The same emergency facility the Fed created post-2008 great financial crisis, where banks... That's going to irritate me. Let me fix that. Did people comment already on it? They did. I got to leave it. I should have capitalized the G, F, and the C. Somebody hit me 3 times with a wet noodle. Great financial crisis where banks borrow cash 24/7 to stay afloat. Just saw at least one bank yank $9 billion in liquidity. The cracks spreading in real time, hidden stress building in the banking system, liquidity drying up when it's needed the most, war, inflation, margin calls. Remember, the Federal Reserve, or the Comex, desperately trying to close out these last positions for the month of March. They are struggling. Banks are scrambling for cash. When the repo market starts screaming for help again, it usually is the canary in the coal mine for bigger trouble. And let's look last time. The last time we had major movement in the repo market was here. This was right before the run-up. When this occurred in December, it was right before the run-up to $120 here in January. So let's keep monitoring this for the next few days and see if more and more liquidity is drawn. When the repo market starts screaming for help, it usually is the canary in the coal mine. Safe havens flow to gold and silver are accelerating. Stackers, is this the start of another 2008 style liquidity crisis crunch? Is this the start to another multi-$100 run? $100 this month. What do you guys think? $6,000 gold soon? Let me know in chat right now. But this is why it's so important to follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, because I put this stuff out. And if you guys want the link, it's there. That's the link to the Federal Reserve repo market, and I'll actually put it in chat as well, so you guys can monitor it too. And if you notice it before me, you can tell me. So I'll put that link in chat. That's the link to the repo market, so you can do it yourselves. Then put this little short out earlier, and look at this. No damage, just opportunity. Rashad says no damage to the silver chart as it continues to trade within the broader wedge. I think we actually did end up challenging that. And MBA Economics says this: I'm so thankful to all the bankers that are constantly giving precious metals investors buying opportunities. My common sense would tell me Wall Street would be taking all these gains for themselves, but they keep giving the little guys a chance to get it while it's cheap. Guys, did you buy the dip? Bought the dip in chat if you did. And Portuguese in chat saying severely curbed. Gold shipments through Dubai stalled in the wake of strikes on Iran. Thank you for that. I did see that story. And there's a lot of gold out there in Dubai. It's got the gold suit. I got some, guys, go to my channel. Go here and type Dubai. I've got videos in the world's largest gold market. Look. So these are all videos in Dubai. There's the Burj Khalifa. This is the gold market. This is the largest gold ring in the gold market. So I've got a lot of cool videos. Look at that light show of the Burj Khalifa, buying gold. So I got buying silver. I bought this kilo bar silver and I gave it away to you. So I've got a lot of cool videos if you're interested about Dubai. So go check it out. Okay, let's keep going here on X, formerly known as Twitter. Cover a few more pieces of note. Crude oil soars to highest price since June. Had a big gap up. I know it went up, it came down. Things are going all around. Let's check the stock market real quick. The stock market is currently, it started off on a big red day, if you guys remember. But now Dow Jones is only down 73. It was down 500. NASDAQ is up 80. S&P's up 2.7. Bitcoin is back to 69,000. Wow. It's a big jump. Let's go ahead and check my little bundle of mining stocks. Let me type in the password here. Sorry, I can't type and talk at the same time. It's my cross to bear. Okay, guys, and my mining stocks are up 1% today. So if we go back to the chart, silver has been smacked down a whopping 4.7% since the highs last night. Because remember, for the trading session, guys, it starts the night before at 6 p.m. So every single day from 5 to 6, the Comex closes. And then when it opens back up at 6 p.m., that's the start of the trading session for the next day. So we're going to see that here in just 13 minutes. The markets are going to close on gold and silver. So although silver is down 4.6%, gold's up 0.88%, guys. Gold is up on the day, believe it or not, after all these smackdowns. And 525 Medic saying, I bought the dip by subscribing and winning in the war room. Nice. Nice, 525 Medic. Oh, and channel members, I will be doing a war room at the end of this stream. War rooms are channel member only live streams here on YouTube. All channel members get access. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. Who wants to see? Okay. Channel members, should I leak what it looks like in the war room? If you guys want to see what it looks like in the war room, put war room in chat. I might show it to you. Woo. And look at how low this volume is. Wow. High volume in the start of the day, but pretty low at the end of the day here. As we've got just 11 minutes. Okay, crustaceans. Channel members, I'm going to show them what it looks like in the war room here. This is what it looks like in the war room. Exactly, 100%. War room things happen in there as we come up with battle plans, not only for the channel, but for the gold and silver market. That's what it looks like. Okay. Let's go back here to X and see what you guys are saying to me. Make sure you guys follow me here. It's INTL Stacker. International is too long. Just bought the dip, says Eric. Awesome. Charles says, riddle me this, crab man. How many paper ounces of silver does it take to hide the Epstein files? A lot. End of war? I don't know, Charles. Cartel saying, it's not something by if it's not obvious by now, they own the bankers. Who owns it? What is this? What is this? Oh, maybe. I don't know. Who knows? And we got something here tagging us. This is attack. Interesting. Thank you for that. Look at this. None of y'all have seen my a stack like this. So this is a stack from Portrait One. Look at this.
These are my Australian and Ethiopian opal rings, all made with silver.
Opal rings.
925 polished.
Look at that.
Most expensive rhodium.
That's
all silver.
Rhodium.
Now, just as
opals.
I finished completing them.
Look at this, guys. This is Portrait Run. He's one of you. He's a crustacean.
The price of silver started jacking up.
Wow.
So now,
looks beautiful, man.
Not gonna sell.
Not gonna sell. Diamond claws.
How lucky
wow.
am I? 135 rings.
Wow.
Like 40 pendants.
Nice, guys. Nice Portrait One. That's amazing. As we are just 9 minutes away from market close. And Sean Cross, thank you so much for the super chat saying, I made 10 free ounces today. I bet my dealer Friday that the price would close under Friday's close. He wagered Libertads. I wagered Eagles. I'll pick him up tomorrow. It's obvious to me. It's Friday. Wow, Sean, congratulations. What a gamble. I'm glad it worked for you, but do not press your luck. Take it and run. And silver was just as recently, within the last 30 or 40 minutes, up to 90.83. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 8.5 minutes away. 9.5 minutes, 8.5 minutes away from market close. What's going to happen? Are we going to close higher or lower? I would love to close above 90. I don't know if that's going to happen, though. I would love to close above that. There's one thing we do on this channel, guys, that some scientists says work 90% of the time, every time, to turn a red candle green or a green candle into a BGC. It's called the baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Portrait One, are you in chat? If you're in chat, I want to see if you're in chat. Let me know if you're in chat, Portrait One. But that was really cool. I did want to thank again all the channel members. Remember, channel members don't go anywhere at the end of the stream. We'll be going into the war room, and what happens in the war room stays in the war room. And I want to give a big shout out, thank you to all my Diamond Claw members. This is updated. It's alphabetical order now, so it's easier to find yourselves. But thank you to all the Diamond Claw members. And who in chat watching right now has Diamond Claws? Diamond Claws. Who's got them? Let me know. Okay, let's go back here to news, see what you guys are tweeting at me. Very cool portrait, very cool. I was selling that earlier today with the hockey stick. Nice. I'm going to tell them just... Oh, portrait's here. Okay, cool. I wanted to make sure you knew. That's very cool, man. Love the opals. How are you doing? Portrait One, you're in Lebanon, right? Is there a lot of explosions and rockets where you're at? Is it calmed down? How are you doing out there? Give us some on the ground. And Ali, are you in here? Ali is on the ground in Kuwait. If you're on the ground in the Middle East, let us know what country and how you're doing out there. And we got all kinds of information out there. Let's check out what Rashad is saying. He's one of our favorite technical analysts here on the channel. And guys, when you answer that question, if you put at International Stacker so it pops up, that'd be great. Oh, someone had a question. How do I get Diamond Claws? Greg, it's a membership level. So you got to become a membership here on YouTube. Down at the bottom right, there's like a $sign and a plus sign. Click those. That will give you more information on how to become a member. Okay. Okay. So let's go here and see what Rashad is saying. Spot silver above 90 and manages to recover a broken trend line, and then they smash us right back down. But don't get... Guys, it worked! It's a green candle. This is the same candle. It worked. It's science! Oh, it's red again. Ugh. You know what? Someone actually sent me something. Where is it? Hold up. Somebody sent me something. Let's go over here. Somebody sent me something funny. Hold up. Somebody sent me this. It's science! So funny. I'm getting all kinds of cool images and stuff from you guys. Which exchange is the last to close? You mean here? It all closes. It all closes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it reopens at 6 Eastern Standard Time. And then Tokyo opens at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then China, this chart right here, it opens at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but we don't see it start moving to 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we got all kinds of different exchanges and entities there. We have London. We have everywhere. So that's kind of how it goes. But every day from 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Globex and Comex are shut down. You guys, okay, so I did a few things. Today I updated this. So this is up to date now, and all the names are now in alphabetical order. I made the new shark attack scene. Here it is. So we got that one now. And then I optimized this scene here.
It's my silver and I want it now. My silver and I want it now. My silver and I want it now.
So I optimized that one. So I've been working. I've got a few more tricks up my sleeves. But guys, gals, this market is closing in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Are we going to finish on a red candle, or are we going to finish on a green candle? Vote right now in chat. Let me know what you think. And all the channel members, don't forget, we will be going to the war room at the end of the stream here. If you got questions, put them in chat, but make sure you tag me at International Stacker so it pops out to me, and I'll answer them the best I can. Silver crab with diamond claws on top of the shark. Woo! That would be fun. That would be fun, Ralph. I am going to update that scene to add some crabs sitting on the green candles before they get attacked, and then they swim off. You know, intestinal fortitude, hard shells. Okay, guys, this is the last candle before the market closes, and we've got 3 minutes left here. What's going to happen? Red or green? It could go either way right now. So silver on the day is down 4.68%, but gold says not going to take it. Gold is up 0.085%, so 8.85%. Gold is up, trading at $5,323.68. And we're about at the 2-minute warning here. Thank you so much. Oh, guys, Silver Hair Stacker in the chat. Thank you for the super chat and for being a channel member, saying thanks for the awesome raid this morning. Way to go, crabs. Thank you, Silver Hair Stacker. Woo! And we've got 1 minute and 20 seconds left here. 1 minute and 10 seconds here. Looks like it might finish on a red candle. Okay, I'm going to issue 1 minute warning. 1 minute warning, and we're starting to get a BRC, a big red candle, so I'm going to upgrade this to a danger zone. We are definitely in the danger zone. So somebody was asking what the high for silver was. Overnight, the high was 96.44. On today's trading session, I mean, it was technically here, like in the 95s. But once it dipped, we did have one pop back up to 90.96. Then we had a second pop up here to about 90.84, give or take. And we're currently trading sideways. Someone call it crab walking off of a shark fin at $89.37. And the market's going to be closing here in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yes. 89.33. Let's see what happens here. Here we go. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Let's see what happens here. It looks like we're definitely going to finish on a red candle. As soon as this closes, we're going to cover some more news. And then channel members, after the news, we will be, and questions, we will be going to the war room. Okay, 30-second warning. 30 seconds, 89.35. Looks like we're frozen in time. It looks like the trading has halted, has ceased. Elfine. Done. Over. So I'm going to call it, guys. It looks like silver's closed for today at 89.35. Remember, it's a 1 hour break, and then we transition from the Comex to Comex via the Globex at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in 1 hour, you'll start to see this move again, and we're at 89.35, and that will be the start of the new trading session that will end tomorrow at 5 p.m. And gold has ceased trading as well for the 1 hour break at 5,321.94. Important here is that the Shanghai Futures Exchange, it got a smackdown as well, a double shark fin here. And it got smacked down to 102.56, but still over 100. So with the closing of silver at 89.35, Shanghai at 102, that's a 13 to $14 premium from the west to the east. So it could be an explosive night tonight. Smash that like button, guys, if you guys like my coverage and you're having fun. Make sure you subscribe as well. Gold to silver ratio currently 59.49 ounces of silver to every ounce of gold. And what is that? The Ambit lady saying International Stacker is a place to be. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much, Ambit. And let's see what you guys are saying to me here. We'll cover a few more pieces of news. But if you're just joining, I broke a piece of news I'm going to show you here in a second. When the fat lady sings, when all she stops and all the free fall begins as paper tigers feast upon the prey once again, says Sam Wood. International Stacker says zombie killer. I want to give my reason as to why I buy silver. It's a forced savings account. Ever since I turned 18, I could never save any money. Buying silver was my way of saving money for the future because I can't easily spend it, the silver, unless I sell. That is a good point. How many of you guys use it as a forced savings account? I know it definitely helps. I mean, I didn't do it for that reason, but it's helped me. So the big piece of news I did break, I want to cover one more time here because I know a bunch of you are probably new. Is and to the stream, not news tacking, new to the stream. $9 billion in emergency liquidity was pulled out of the repo market. We watch this on this channel. There it is right there, $9 billion. Last time we had big withdrawals, multiple big withdrawals in a row was before January's run up to 120, right before that. So we're going to watch it. We're going to see if we get a few more days here on the repo market. If so, that could be explosive. Okay, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go here. And I'm going to do this. So channel members, we're going to be going to the war room in 5 minutes. Guys, if you got any questions, put it in chat right now. I'd be happy to answer them. I'll be doing a Q&A here for the next 5 minutes. And then channel members, we are going to the war room. So clad yourself with the iron, with your armor. See what we got here. Another 2.8 million ounces vaporized from Comex silver, says Silver Trade. So what are we at now? Let's see. Okay, that's from the overall. Okay. Okay, Secret Silver saying I could never save money and I always needed an expensive hobby. So the way I look at it is now I have free expensive hobby, win-win. That's awesome. And Torres is saying, what do you think about silver miner ETFs? I think it is better for long term in case something fishy happens on the Comex. Yeah, well, I'm a big advocate of this stuff right here, physical. So this physical, it's zero counterparty risk. It can't be margin called. It can't be, your position can't be liquidated. Silver could go to 1 cent or $1 trillion. This is still 100 ounces of physical silver in your hand. If a company goes out of business, you still have the silver. So I'm an advocate for silver, physical gold and silver. And once you have a stack that you're happy with, then look around what you could do with maybe ETFs or mining stocks, etc. But I didn't mess around with that stuff till I got to 4,000 ounces, guys. So I'm a big proponent of physical gold and silver for sure. And we got a $5 super chat by JM Unleashed. Thank you so much, saying, Dear International Stacker Crustacean Nation, thanks so much for rating Rocky Superstar's channel last night. So very cool. Yeah, we rated Rocky's channel, guys, and we got him to 1,000. 1,000 subscribers. He can get monetized now, and he's doing a big silver and gold giveaway because of it. So if you're subscribed, make sure to monitor it. There you go. Sean Cross is saying, this is financial advice. People buy gold and silver and keep it. That's from Sean Cross. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Josh Wasp is saying, have you got any Royal Silver Company 5.9 silver rounds? My mate needs the Anacondas in Durham. No, I do not have any of those. 5.9s? Wow. Victor saying, what are your thoughts on pant bars from Costco? Good buy or not? Yeah, it's a great buy. Usually they have very competitive prices, and you can buy it there in like a credit card without like extra fees. From what I've heard, I don't shop at Costco, but I heard if you have like their special credit card, you get cash back and a bunch of other things. So it ends up being under spot. I've heard a lot of people doing that. Pamp's a very well-respected company. They make great products. You're never going to have problems with the Pamp bar as long as it's real. If it's coming from Costco, it's definitely real. So I'm looking here, trying to find us any silver news. Channel members, we're going to the war room here in 1 minute and 43 seconds. And again, silver closed at $89.35, down 4.74% on the day. But gold finished up 0.82%, nearly 1%, at 5,321. And guys, this was the all-time high like a month ago. This was the all-time high like a month ago. Month and a half maybe. So don't feel sad. Don't be dismayed. I've said it for a long time on this channel. This road's going to be long, hard, and full of terrors, but those with intestinal fortitude to see it through will be reaping the rewards. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in today. Please smash the like button on your way out. I will be live streaming again in the morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It should be a pretty explosive stream, so turn on those notifications. Channel members, we're going to be headed to the war room here in 49 seconds. So channel members, you should be taken automatically, especially if it's your first war room. Just hang out for about 30 seconds. But if you have problems, all you got to do is go to my channel and click here on the membership area, and it should take you there. You should see it here, and you can watch all the past war rooms here. So it's for all the new channel members. You can do that. Thank you, everybody, so much. For those not coming to the war room, I really appreciate y'all. And I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. And for all the channel members, we're going to be in the war room in 15 seconds. You're going to have to hold your breath for the transport. Here we go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold your breath. I'll see you later, everybody.